I'm Katie Kennedy with Roanoke's Community Resources Division. It's National Community Development Week, and we're celebrating by highlighting some of the ways federal grant funding is used to improve housing, prevent homelessness, and revitalize neighborhoods in our community. The City of Roanoke receives this annual entitlement funding through congressional appropriations, administered by the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Let's look at the three main types of funding here at work in Roanoke, commonly known as CDBG, ESG, and HOME. First, the Community Development Block Grant provides funding for infrastructure, economic development, housing, disaster recovery, and other community needs. It allows communities the flexibility to design and implement custom, tailored strategies to meet their needs and priorities. These can include low-income assistance, such as the Bradley Free Clinic or Children's Trust, as well as neighborhood improvement like sidewalks and bus shelter installations. A majority of the funding is spent on improving housing conditions and increasing the city's affordable housing supply through programs like Renovation Alliance's owner-occupied housing rehab programs and Restoration Housing's historic preservation and rental unit creation. By focusing on low and moderate income areas, CDBG funding helps create more equitable, livable communities, strengthens local economies, and supports the well-being of residents. Next, the Emergency Solution Grant helps individuals and families experiencing or at risk of homelessness. It can be used to support emergency housing and homeless prevention efforts like shelters and family resources. We distribute this funding to nonprofit partner agencies such as Family Promise and the Council of Community Services to conduct these efforts. Some funding is also used to support the community's homeless information system, which improves data collection and strengthens coordination of services. Finally, the Home Investment Partnership Program can be used on a wide range of activities, including building, buying, and/or rehabilitating affordable housing for rent or homeownership, or providing direct rental assistance. In the City of Roanoke, a majority of home funds are utilized to create opportunities for new homeownership with Habitat for Humanity in the Roanoke Valley. Many of these projects focus on rehabilitating dilapidated housing into safe, affordable housing for Roanoke residents. HOME is a critical tool for supporting the development, rehabilitation, and preservation of affordable housing to provide greater housing opportunities for those in need. These federally funded programs provide critical resources to address local needs and enhance the well-being of our community. The flexibility of the funds combined with targeted initiatives tailored to local priorities ensure that Roanoke is able to respond to its unique needs effectively. Join us in celebrating National Community Development Week as we spotlight 3 Roanoke nonprofits who are utilizing CDBG, ESG, and HOME funds to provide housing support, homelessness prevention, and neighborhood revitalization.